All right, we're going to talk about gratuity now. We've been talking about tax and discount, and gratuity is similar to tax in the way that it's solved and the process, but what gratuity is something called tip. These words mean the same thing. Gratuity and tip are equal, they're the same thing. So we use tip when we get a service from somewhere. So when we receive a service, and we will tip our waiter, our hairdresser, maybe our mechanic, somebody who's providing a service for us. We give them a percentage of what we paid, and that is how they get paid. That's how they make their money. So tip is a percentage we add on. The difference between tip and tax is that tax is required by the government, and tip is something that is a custom, and it's something that we are supposed to do, but we choose to do it. So let's talk about how to calculate tip. It's the same as tax. So let's look at this word problem. Zeke and Nia go to lunch and their meal costs $50.76. They tip, there's my keyword, the server 15%. And my question asked me, how much tip did they pay their server? All right, so I'm still working with proportional relationships, so I'm going to set up my skeleton. I see a percentage, so I'm going to go ahead and put my percent over 100 because percent always goes over 100. And I'm trying to find how much they tipped, and their total bill was $50.76. So I know that's my whole, $50.76. All right, now I can cross multiply and divide. I can do my fish. And when I do 50.76 times 15 divided by 100, I get an answer that looks like this, 7.614. And I need to round that until it can be money. So I'm going to circle the hundredths place, look to the right. So this is going to stay at 7.61. So their tip, what my question asked me, was $7.61. That's 15% of their total bill. That's what they gave their server. Now, sometimes it doesn't just ask you how much did they tip. It might ask you what the total cost was. Give me a second, my problem went away. What was the total cost of their lunch? So if they ask me for the total, what they want me to do is take the price that they paid for their lunch, $50.76, and add the tip. This is how much they paid in total when they left that restaurant. So I'm going to do my math. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 plus 1 is 8. So when they left the restaurant, they had paid $58.37 in total. Please make sure you pay attention to the question. They could be asking you just how much was their gratuity or their tip, or they could be asking you the total cost of something.